Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We will explain about design and broadcast discussion. Uh, in this stage, we will explain about two explanation. The first one is online, and the second one is offline. Design means an initial design or model of artwork before the original is made. Design is usually used to create a shape that is really desired. Purchase is the one of the most important function in material management. In addition to being involved in purchasing material for production purpose, purchase is also in charge of searching and purchasing production methods, production equipment as well as other facilities that support the smooth production process. And discussion is the action or process of talking about something in order to reach a decision or to exchange ideas.
Okay, next is about design and broadcasting discussion in offline mode. How to make a good discussion in teaching and learning process. Firstly, teacher give material to the students, and next, teacher give a time to students to discuss with their friends about the material that teacher gave. And the last is give time to do presentation to test their ability in speaking. Before start to the teaching and learning process, should teacher should divide the level of students and then give material and prepare the media. So we can divide about the active students with the passive students and then prepare the material for them and choose the best media for offline learning process. And then how to manage interest discussion. We can divide the students to work in pair or group after watching a video. We can set a nice game for quiz, and we can also give students video by using projector.
Before designing the discussion, the teacher must identify three things. The first is the level of the students, then the topic of the discussion, and the last is discussion types and the media. The first is the level of the students, such as the ability level and class of students. Then determine the topic. What topic will be used, where the topic corresponds to the level of the students. The last one determines the type of discussion used, meaning that you have to determine what kind of discussion model to apply the topic that has been chosen. Also, have to determine what application or media to apply the discussion model that has been chosen. Of course, in practicing online discussion, the role that teachers do are different from offline discussion. Number one is like regulating, meaning that here the teacher role is help regulating students' interaction by creating and implementing clear rules and policies related to the discussion, board, posts, and replies. Number two is the teacher makes it clear to the students how to contact them for help, guidance, question, and support of the discussion topic. Number three is summarizing it. It means that the teacher integral in summarizing the students' discussion and going over main points and important conclusion. This is can help the students in summarizing their own learning, as well as lets them know clearly that they were being monitored throughout the process. Number four is assessing, giving formative assessment and feedbacks to help students to improve their performance during the course. And the last is counseling. In this case, the teacher can contact parents to be invited to the work together in learning. Then, as explained in the first point, here there are two types of online learning. The first is synchronous and the second is asynchronous. The synchronous method is discussion carried out directly, such as students and teacher discuss using face-to-face application, such as Zoom and Google Meet, and others. Then, in an asynchronous method, discussion that are carried out do not immediately get spontaneous answer, such as discussion via the WhatsApp group chat, then Messenger or Telegram. Also, in this method, which is specialist into promote critical thinking of the students.
So it's about a media. There is Zoom, Telegram, WhatsApp, Schoology, Google Meet, WebQuest, and Google Classroom. So there is a benefits of in the online. First one is work quality, global connection, and there is a native writing skill, instinctual sense and preparation, active management. So in the benefit, there is expanding classroom learning. So how to make a success online discussion? The first one is main end of discussion summarize. So appropriate group size. Create a permanent discussion schedule. Promote interactive feedback and make the value of a clear. That's all our presentation. Thank you very much.